In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play the strongest battlegrounds on controller. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. As you can see, I have a controller connected to my PC, and I'm going to teach you how you can play the strongest battlegrounds using only your controller. So this is going to work if you are playing on a console or even on a PC or mobile with a controller connected. For this video, I'm going to use a private server because it is easier to demonstrate, but you can absolutely join and play on any public server. So, the Strongest Battlegrounds actually has full controller support. You can even see it on the description before joining. The game is developed for PC, mobile, and also consoles. So because it is playable on consoles, they added controller support. So, if you look at the bottom left, you will already see all of the button assignments. So you can press A to jump, X to block, so your character puts their arms up. You can press Y to dash, B to attack, and you can press down on the left stick to lock onto an enemy. So once you get into battle, you can lock onto someone. It is very simple to play. And if you look on the center of the screen at the bottom, you can see my abilities. So I have Flash Strike, Whirlwind Kick, Scatter, and Explosive Shuriken. And I can use them by pressing left bumper, aka L1, left trigger, aka L2, right trigger, which is right 2, and then RB, which is R1. I mixed up the order of RB and right trigger, but you can still see that the attacks came out normally. So there's no secret to playing on a controller. You just get used to all of the buttons, and then you can use all of the abilities just like you would on PC. It is absolutely the same. And if you are playing with a specific character but you want to change, you can use the select button on your controller or the share button depending on which controller you are using, and then navigate through all of the menus. So you will have this highlighter that you can move around using the D-pad or the joystick. So as you can see, I can highlight the character's icon and then choose a specific character from here. And you will be able to change. Of course, I'm getting this notification because I just initiated a fight with the dummy, but it should work if you are outside. So all of the controls are already assigned for you automatically. Now, before I end this video, I want to highlight that when I was looking through the channel metrics, I noticed that 82% of you are not subscribed. If you subscribe, you can help us from the channel bring you the highest quality Roblox videos possible, so I highly count on your subscription. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.